Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, here I will discuss material about the challenge of gaps in access to education in remote areas, challenge of educational access, disparities in remote areas, educational access. Disparities in remote areas are complex issues requiring serious attention from various parties. For this, here is a detailed explanation of the challenge faced: infrastructure and facilities, physical condition of schools. Many schools in remote areas have inadequate building, often made from non-durable materials and vulnerable to extreme weather. The absence of basic facilities such as electricity, clean water, and proper sanitation hamper the teaching and learning process. Internet access and technology in digital era. Internet access is a basic need in education. However, in many remote areas, internet infrastructure is still very minimal. The lack of technological devices such as computer tablets and educational software result in students feeling behind in technological development, availability, and quality of teacher distribution. Many teachers are reluctant to be placed in remote areas due to uncomfortable living conditions, lack of facilities, and insufficient incentive. This results in an unequal distribution of teachers, white urban areas having a surplus while remote areas experience shortage. Quality of teaching. The lack of professional training of development for teachers in remote areas leads to low teaching quality, limited access to training programs, and the latest educational resources prevents teachers from developing effective and innovative teaching methods, educational resources, and facilities, books, and teaching materials. The shortage of relevant and high-quality textbooks and teaching materials hampers the teaching and learning process. Available books are often are quite dated, not aligned with the latest curriculum, learning equipment, and facilities. Many schools in remote areas lack basic equipment such as desks, charts, blackboards, and educational aids. The absence of science laboratories, libraries, and adequate learning space means students miss out on a comprehensive learning experience. Economic and social issues. Poverty. Many families in remote areas live below the poverty line, causing children to work and help their parents instead of attending schools. The inability to afford uniforms, books, and other schools needs is a significant barrier to educational access. educational awareness. Low awareness of the importance of education among parents and local communities leads to low school participation rates. Local traditional and practice that prioritize household chores or families over formal education also challenge accessibility, distance, and geographical condition. The long distance between homes and schools, along quite difficult geographical conditions like mountains, rivers, or forests, make access to schools a major challenge. Children often have to walk for hours toward challenge their turn to real schools. Transportation, the lack of educated public transportation means children have to walk long distance to get to schools. In some areas, available transportation is often unsafe or unreliable. Quality of education curriculum. The implement curriculum is often not adapted to local needs, making the taught material less relevant to students' life in remote areas. One-size-fits-all approach in the national curriculum often overlooks local wisdom and the specific needs of remote areas. Evaluation and monitoring. The lack of evaluation and monitoring of the teaching and learning process in remote areas makes it difficult to identify and address existing problems. In inadequate or incomplete data on the educational condition in remote areas completes policy making, government policy, and supports educational budget. Limited budget allocation for education in remote areas slow down infrastructure and facilities improvement. Budget priorities often favor urban areas, leaving remote areas neglected. Government policies, educational policies that do not always consider the specific condition of remote areas often result in ineffective program implementation. The lack of coordination between central and regional government in addressing educational issues in remote areas adds to the complexity of the problem. Solution and effort addressing this challenge requires a holistic approach involving various parties including government, increasing budget allocation, creating more inclusive policies, and enhancing coordination between central and regional government. Non-governmental organizations providing assistance and support in the form of educational programs, teacher training, and facility provision. Community raising awareness about the importance of educational and actively participating in supporting local schools. Private sector providing assistance in the form of technology facilities and teachers programs pressure on education in remote areas. White system. collaborative effort. It is evident that the educational access disparities in smooth areas can be overcome using every child has the some opportunity to raise with equity education. That is the discussion of the material that I have presented.